The 2023 season has been a stormer for motor yachts here in Berthon, with full gantries outside, a really strong turnover of yachts and encouragingly high levels of new listings coming to the market. Through 2023, we've continued to deal with the heavier, more traditional, seaworthy motor yacht, which bucks the trend of a market riddled with outboard-powered white plastic. Our current 2024 listings indicate that this is a market in which Berthon are reliably understood to specialise. And of course, if the yacht is capable and you trust the yacht, then she gets used. First impressions are of course still vital, and always remember that a buyer is not only buying the floating estate in front of them, but the previous owners too, and this is fundamental when looking in the round at the marketing of any new listing. A company is only as good as its people, and it is only when one steps back and reviews the history of Berthon that you realise what an extraordinary company we are part of. Perhaps this differentiates us in a more challenging market, which doubtless 2024 will prove to be. We believe that we offer a strong, professional, informed service, as we historically always have, and would very much look forward to chatting with you soon about any aspects of your yachting.